In today's video, I will show you how to sell on Creative Market. First, go to the Creative Market website and click on Open a Shop. Next, click on Open a Shop again to begin the process. To proceed, you need to create a free account. I am signing in with my Google account. Once you signed in, you should see the option to open a shop. Click on it. You will be taken to the shop owner application page. Here you need to select your category. You will then be asked to provide a URL where you work, such as your website or any platform you use to showcase or sell your designs. This step is essential as your application will be reviewed before approval. After adding your details, click Submit. You will then need to verify your email. Open your email inbox, find the email from Creative Market, and click Confirm Email. Once you have confirmed your email, you will then see a message thanking you for applying to become a shop owner. Now, all you need to do is wait for your application to be reviewed and approved. After approval, you will be able to upload your designs and start selling on Creative Market. That's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.